Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, I'm Britta. So it's been a while since I uploaded my last video and I thought I could get back into the filming routine by doing another late night cooking video. But this time, instead of cooking, I will be baking. And since it's autumn, Thanksgiving is around the corner and Christmas isn't far away, I thought I could share with you my favorite vegan pumpkin spice muffin recipe. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make the perfect, fluffy, irresistible pumpkin spice muffins that everyone will love. To start off, I already have all the ingredients in front of me, and I also put them in the description box down below so you know exactly what you need. And yeah, let's get started. To start off, we are going to use 1 cup and 3/4 of all-purpose flour. I didn't have all-purpose flour, so I'm using self-raising flour instead. Next up, we are going to use 1 cup of sugar. Then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and I like to just add a pinch of salt. Then we are going in with the spices, and I'm using 1 teaspoon of ground sweet cinnamon. Just trying to get it perfect, and I'm going to add quite a liberal amount of 1 teaspoon. The next spice I'm adding is ground nutmeg, and I'm using 1/2 teaspoon. You can also freshly grate a nutmeg, but I just find it easier to use the ground nutmeg. Then comes the allspice, and I'm using 1/4 teaspoon. And of course we need ginger, and we need 1/2 teaspoon. Last but not least, we need an 1/8 teaspoon of ground cloves. And here I have my freshly ground cloves, which I'm adding, and I'm going to carefully sift it through. For the wet mix, we need 1 cup of pumpkin puree, and usually I like to go for the Libby's pumpkin puree, but that wasn't available, so I'm using Baking Buddy. It's the second best choice, so I'm using that, and we need 1 cup of this. So here we've got more or less 1 cup. Now it's time for non-dairy milk, and we need 1/2 cup of unsweetened almond or unsweetened soy milk. And because I don't have almond milk, which I usually prefer to use, I'm using unsweetened soy milk. We also need 1/2 cup of oil, and I'm using just regular vegetable oil. We are almost done, so now we need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Last but not least, this is the final ingredient, and we need 2 tablespoons of molasses. And this just adds a deeper flavor to the muffin. And I just use a spoon to mix everything together. and now it's time to put the wet mix into the dry mix. And just try to be careful. Now comes the important part. You have to be really careful not to overmix this, because if you overmix this, the muffins won't be fluffy and they'll end up being really dense and rubbery. And we are done mixing. Now it's time to grease the muffin tray. So here I've got some oil. And it's time to add the muffins into the tray. Okay guys, 15 minutes are up and let's see how the muffins turned out. Okay. They're super hot right now, so I'm gonna let them cool down for a little bit before I show you how fluffy they are. Okay, they're super hot right now, but ta-da! Fluffy, airy muffins, steaming hot, and it smells so good. So guys, the muffins are done. I already ate one, well, almost. But yeah, this is what the muffins look like. It's so tasty and they're so nice and fluffy and they're nice and moist inside as well. I know people don't like the word moist, but I like my cakes and muffins moist. I don't know why. Well, who likes dry cakes anyway? So yeah, I like how these turned out. It's, ooh, oh my god, they're falling apart. But it's so delicious and I hope you enjoyed this video. You definitely have to try out this recipe, and if you did, let me know in the comments down below. I want to hear your thoughts, and if you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing to my channel. It would mean so much to me, and I'll see you next time. Bye!